Hey Buildspace, my name is James. This is my co-worker Mitzi, and together we're building a way to democratize algorithmic trading. We wanted to build our product suite on a simple, clean, and effective user interface that allows our customers to spend time actually trading and developing algorithms, not trying to build infrastructure in the background. You can see here how we use simple sliders to move around different parameters. I can build an algorithm in seconds just by doing this, this, and this. Super powerful. In the sidebar, you can see a little AI chatbot, and that allows users to get information about what they're doing as they're doing it, rather than having to browse to a separate web page and look up lots and lots of information. All of this is backed by an incredibly powerful backend that really allows us to make this fast, responsive, and effective. The idea for TradeOxy was born out of a blog series that I wrote about how to build your own trading bot. I was convinced that I could go even further with this, so I took the idea to Buildspace. I was amazed how we had 56 people sign up within 4 weeks of starting, and honestly, it's been an amazing adventure since then. So over the next few months, we'll be starting to build on our demo. We'll be continuing to strengthen our technical foundation, as well as developing helpful educational videos for everyone to get involved. We'd love for you to be a part of our story, so head to tradeoxy.com today and sign up. The best is yet to come.